welcome back to M Squad. Today we're gonna be doing a cooking video. And so yeah. So we have these things.
Yeah, we didn't have one. I'll just see this.
It's for the things, what cake you're gonna bake. Okay. What cake you're gonna build and how much time you're gonna have. So that's the twist. So pick one from each category. This one, this one, this one. No, yours too. Okay, open all of your envelopes. Okay, full. Okay. That means you get the green bowl.
Green bowl.
That's the. So this is.
The green bowl. Wait, I'm sure.
About 30 minutes.
Wait, what?
About 30 minutes.
Is that long?
Spice.
Spice?
Okay, this one.
Yay, it's my favorite.
Okay, let's put these to the side. Right there. Oh, you didn't open this one. About 40 minutes. 40 minutes.
Is that enough?
I don't know. Okay.
Oh, also we have our eggs.
Yeah, because we didn't want to go.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go with the further.
I like, this is kind of messy. My mom needs it.
Right. Open that package. So, if you didn't see what I got.
Okay, so just I'm very careful with these scissors. Ow.
It smells kind of weird though.
Ew, it smells mine.
You're supposed to like pumpkin spice. That's why it's called spice.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Underneath the.
So I just have the whole thing?
Yeah.
Wow. Uh-oh.
Oh,
It
it got
mess.
egg.
Mess.
Okay, next thing, you just pour in the eggs, I guess.
Oh god.
So I always bake cakes, so that's how I know what to do, because almost every week I bake a cake.
Yeah. Sometimes I help her, but
She doesn't.
ew, oh my gosh. Ew. So good. Wait, that was my mouth.
Can you go check them, please?
That can you throw in?
Okay.
Ew, I touched the yolk.
You did.
Can you open
Okay. So now we need to mix it. Then we need to add in the beets. Do you have the same one? 1 cup, 1 cup. Well, you have one. I have 1/3. Okay, so we need measuring cups. We both need the water. We both need the one. You can't really see it, but this is 1 cup of water.
Okay. Hey. Are you supposed to mix it after that?
Well, you can, but I mixed it to the end.
Oh. I need water.
Here.
Okay. Oh.
There's a secret to that.
Wait. Well, are we supposed to throw that or no? We're supposed to touch it. This.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, so now we need the oil.
Oil.
But we have different ingredients. Not ingredients, but measurements. She has 1 cup. I have 1/3. I have a smaller thing of oil. Then I'll fill up yours.
Ooh. Can I pour it in?
Yeah, okay.
Wow.
Back there. I think it's time next.
That's yellow.
Box. It's smelling like pineapple now. So mine turned yellow. It used to be white. And hers turned. Hers turned like a brownish. Hers is kind of like water. So mixing. Why do I make pans? The pans are there.
Minutes later.
Hey guys, so the cakes are ready and Amy fell asleep because it's really late. So I am gonna be cutting the cake. So let's see it. It smells so good. That's the first piece.
Mm-hmm.
Remember to have an adult take the cakes out. Take them out. My mom and dad are going to chasing the cakes to see if they turn out good. So this one is Amy's cake, and this one is my cake. You can't really taste the spice, but it's good. Let's taste this piece. Thanks for watching. Remember to just subscribe, turn on notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye.